Project 2, Watercraft Rentals. You are the assistant manager of a vendor that rents boats and other watercraft at a popular lake resort. You are making modifications to the database used to track your rentals. Task 1, configure the available rentals form to print in portrait orientation. I'm going to double click. If you don't have it open already, you're going to double click available rentals in the form section to open that up, but it should automatically be open for you. We're going to go up to our File tab and select Print. From here, we're going to select Print Preview. And then on our Print Preview Contextual tab, in our Page Layout command group, we're going to switch over to Portrait View. And then we can close out of Print Preview. Mark this as complete and move to task number 2. Save the manufacturer's table as an Excel workbook in the Geometrics Templates folder. Name the Excel workbook Rental Brands and keep the formatting and layout. We're going to select the manufacturer's table in our navigation pane. Go up to our External Data tab of our ribbon. And in our Export command group, we're going to select Excel. From here, specify the destination, file name, and format. We're going to click on our Browse button. And we want to go to our Geometrics Templates folder. And we're going to name our file Rental Brands with no space. Click Save from here. Then in the section Specify Export Options, we will not import table relationships, calculated columns, validation rules, default values, and columns of certain legacy data types such as OLE object. Search for import in Access 2016 help for more information. We're going to check the box Export Data with Formatting and Layout. Then we're going to click OK. Just need to resize my window here. Do you want to save these export steps? This will allow you to quickly repeat the operation without using the wizard. Leave that unchecked and click Close. Mark as completed and move to task 3. Hide the manufacturer ID field in the inventory table. We're going to double click to open up our inventory table. We're going to right click on our manufacturer ID field, and from here we can select Hide Fields. Mark as completed and move to task 4. Create a query that includes the fields manufacturer, type, and model. Sort all fields in ascending order. The query should make a table named Rental List. Save the query as Sort Rentals and run the query. We're going to go up to our Create tab and select Query Design from our Queries command group. This opens up our Show Table window. We're going to select inventory and hold down our control key and select manufacturers. Click add from here, and then you can close out your show table window. Again, I need to show my design pane at the bottom, so you just want to click and drag that border there. All right, so now we want to add the manufacturer field from the manufacturer table. I'm going to double click to add that to my design pane at the bottom. Then we're going to click in our sort field, choose the down arrow and select ascending. Then from our inventory table, we're going to double click on type to bring that down to our design pane, and we're going to do the same. We're going to click into the sort field, drop down arrow and select ascending. Then we're going to double click on model from our inventory table to add that to our design pane, and we want to sort that in ascending as well. Then we're going to go up to our design tab in our query type group, and we're going to select create table. Sorry, make table. And we're going to name this rental list. Click OK from here. We want to save this, and it's going to prompt us to name our query, which is going to be sort rentals. Click OK. Now you can see sort rentals appears in our queries section of our navigation pane. We're then going to go up to our design tab and in our results group, and we're going to run this query. You may have to enable content first. Oh, did I just lose everything? Let's mark that as completed. I think it ran. Task 5, hide the size field on the details query and save the change. I'm going to right click on my details query and select design view. I'm going to move my design pane down a little bit. And in my size field column, I'm going to uncheck on in the show field and then save that change. Mark as completed and grade that project. I have my 5 green check marks. I can move on to project number 3.